Came home to a package on the porch. Always love a package on the porch. Brown paper packaging tied up with string. This is from Missy Money. I get my binders from her and I'm super excited to get the latest one. You never have enough binders. At least that's what it feels like. Thank you, Missy Money, for getting this so promptly. I love it. Look at this gorgeous packaging. It's always beautiful. I can always use these black ones. I don't have very many of those. A free challenge, rainy day savings, and a spin tracker. Missy says, Mary, you are amazing. I saw your sweet message. So excited for you to have collected the whole set. I hope you love them, Missy. That's so sweet, so sweet. I have gotten, this is the last one, the last color. I have all of them, except for this color was my last. I think it is called Mauve. It's a deep plum looking color. I love her binders, they're gorgeous. Even the little things deserve a little love. I've got a new dashboard for birthdays. Gorgeous, it's frosted. If I can get it open, that would be amazing. Birthdays, beautiful. And then a simple white candle dashboard. I love the simplicity of that look. Isn't that not beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Thank you, Missy. You'll be seeing these in my videos. And look at this nice case that she sends it in with a tie. I can think of a lot of things to put in there. So Missy, once again, there you have, look at this beautiful new binder. Thank you, Missy.